Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you today in a 55 and up community. We're in the Lake Nona area, just a little bit south of Lake Nona in Narcoossee. So we're about 7 or 8 minutes away from the Lake Nona Publix. And I'm gonna show you this home behind me. It's a 1,670 square foot home. It's a 2-bedroom, but could be a 3-bedroom with 2 baths. And the current price today, that it's the base price is $288,990. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around and show you this home. So as you can see, it's a beautiful day here in Central Florida. It's in the 80s and it's March 11th, 2020, so it's nice and warm. So the price I talked about earlier, the $288,990, I do want to disclaim that that is that base price. So the lot premium and upgrades are extra. And so you get an idea, I was told there's about $50,000 in upgrades in this home. They do the model homes up pretty nicely. So as we come in here, the first thing we're gonna have is to the right, we're gonna have the full bathroom, as you can see. And then we have the bedroom here. So this is bedroom number 2. And then we come back down the hallway and we have this little living area here. Now this living area can be kept like this, open like it is now, or you can close it in as an office, or you can close it in as a bedroom if you want the 3rd bedroom. Again, 1,670 square feet of living here. And then we come over here, this is the laundry room. Plenty of space here, got some extra space for storage. And then the garage is behind this door right here, the two car garage. So let's go ahead and go to the main living area. If you are looking to buy in the Central Florida area, make sure you give me a call. My name is Mike. The phone number is 407-487-3030. Here's a pantry. And I'll make sure that you are taken great care of and get the best deals that these builders offer. So as we come over here, the living area, the breakfast nook, and then this is the kitchen. So they did some upgrades to the cabinets, and for example, the kitchen package is the kitchen aid, and that's actually a $1,900 upgrade for an example of how they do the upgrades here. And then let's go ahead and go over to the master bedroom, which is over here. So this one does have a nice view, a nice lot. And then we have the master bathroom, as you can see. And then the actual closet's over here. And then we have the water closet down this hallway right here. There's a water closet, and that's extra space for towels and stuff. And then this is really neat. You can open this up and this goes into the laundry room. So that's a pretty neat little feature. So if you are interested in this home, make sure you give me a call. My number is 407-487-3030. You can call, text, you can make a message below here. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel or wherever you're watching this. Thank you for watching. Hope to meet some of you soon. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.